Hi everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and in this video we're going to experience all the flavors of Taco Bell's iconic Mexican pizza in an easy crowd-pleasing casserole. Layers of seasoned beef, melty cheese, and crispy tortillas make this casserole a fun and delicious twist on a takeout favorite. Now please take a minute to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new recipes, and let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need: 1.5 pounds of ground beef, 1 Taco Bell seasoning packet, 1/2 cup of salsa, 1 can of refried beans, 1 jar of Taco Bell Mexican pizza sauce or enchilada sauce, 10 crispy tostada shells, 1 diced tomato, 3.5 cups of shredded cheese, and chopped green onions. Cook the ground beef in a skillet over medium-high heat until no longer pink. Season the meat with the packet of taco seasoning and the salsa. Heat the refried beans in a saucepan over medium-high heat. Spray a 9x13 baking dish with non-stick cooking spray, then lay 6 tostada shells on the bottom of the dish. Spread the refried beans over the tortillas. Next, add a layer of the seasoned meat. Pour half of the jar of Mexican pizza sauce or enchilada sauce over the meat. Then sprinkle with 1/2 cup of shredded cheese. Add another layer of tostada shells and spread with the rest of the pizza sauce or enchilada sauce over the top. Sprinkle the remaining cheese over the casserole, followed by the diced tomatoes. Bake at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes or until the cheese is melted and starts to bubble. Remove from the oven and garnish with chopped green onions. Let the casserole rest for 10 minutes before serving. I hope you love this Taco Bell Mexican pizza casserole as much as I do. The full recipe will be in the description, as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time!